Okay, in this video, we're going to go ahead and talk about torque, okay? Basically, anytime an object is turning or rotating, there's a torque involved, okay? And no, I'm not saying torque, so get that out of your mind. Now, a torque is produced by turning force and tends to produce a rotational acceleration, okay? It's slightly different from forces because forces make things accelerate, whereas torques produce rotation. These are just some examples of torque that you use every day. So when you open a door, you're using torque. Whenever you turn a water faucet on, torque. Now, we talked about the force that you use to apply torque, but then you also use with a leverage, okay? So for example, if you're moving a door, okay, obviously to move the door you have to push it open, okay? Now, the way the door works is it's on a hinge. Its lever arm, which is the leverage, okay, is what you're applying to the door. So that's what creates the torque. Mathematically speaking, torque equals the force times the lever arm, which the lever arm is going to be a distance, and force is going to be your meters, your newtons, sorry. Now, there's different ways to change torque. You can either change the angle at which your force is moving. So if you're perpendicular, then you're going to have more torque compared to if your arm is not perpendicular to the lever arm. Or you can increase your lever arm, and that creates more torque. So this lady here who's trying to move the wrench, that doesn't work that way, okay? Because the lever arm needs to be increased upwards, not to the right. So really, she's applying the same torque, because even if she was holding onto the wrench herself and pulling, that's not changing the amount of force or the lever arm. And just in conclusion, how do you make an object turn or rotate? You apply torque to it. And that is the end of this video.